Hey guys, welcome to Heybike Station. I'm Freddie. Today we're going to be discussing how to replace your rear wheel. This guy right here. First thing you want to do before you get started, make sure you take out the battery so you don't have any electrical starts or any other accidents. Now, we're going to be flipping over our bike here, but before you flip the bike over, you want to make sure you have your screen out of the way so that you don't accidentally put the screen surface on the floor. So we move the screen out the way, and then we'll flip the bike upside down. When to replace your rear wheel? You can replace it if there is visible deformities or damage due to impact or overheating, or if there's a severely worn motor or internal failure. The tools you'll need: an 18mm wrench for the rear wheel, the new rear wheel motor assembly, zip ties, and clippers. Disconnect the motor cable. Locate the motor connector near the chainstay. Unplug the connector. Do not twist or pull the cable. Clip and remove the zip ties holding the motor wire to the frame. Remove the axle nut covers. Then loosen the axle nuts with the 18mm wrench. Shift to the smallest gear possible and pull the derailleur back. Lift the wheel out of the dropouts. Transfer the rotor if needed. Installing the new rear wheel. Align the wheel with the dropouts and slide it into place. When tightening the axle nuts, don't completely tighten both big bolts. Make sure that they're relatively loose on both sides, then tighten one side before finally tightening the other. Plug in the motor connector and align the arrows on the connectors and plug straight in. Don't twist, as this can bend the pins. Secure the motor cable with zip ties.